In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your team in ClickUp. We'll start from your main list view, where you see all of your tasks. Make sure you're in any list inside the workspace where your team is working. This is your day-to-day view, but from here, we're going to jump into the area where you actually manage people and permissions. Look toward the top corner of your screen for your workspace or profile icon. In this example, it's labeled with initials, but in your account, it might be your logo, your own initials, or your workspace name. Go ahead and click that. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your personal settings as well as broader workspace options. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where ClickUp keeps all the controls for how your account and workspace behave. It can look a little overwhelming the first time you see it, but we're going to focus on just one section for managing your team members. On the left-hand side, find and click on People. This section is dedicated to everyone who has access to your workspace. Once you open it, you'll see a list of users, guests, and sometimes pending invitations. This is your central hub for adding people, updating roles, and adjusting what they can see or do. Inside the People area, look for the button or link that lets you invite new members. It's usually highlighted near the top of the page. Click that to bring up the invite panel. Here you can add people to your team by entering their email addresses and assigning the right role, such as member or guest. Take a moment to think about what each person needs to access before you send the invite. Next, you'll notice additional highlighted controls around each person's name. These allow you to manage individual settings, like changing their role, adjusting their permissions, or even removing them from the workspace if they no longer need access. Click through the highlighted options one by one to review what's available and update them to match how your team actually works. You may also see toggles or drop-downs that control things like admin status, billing roles, or which spaces a person can access. Use these highlights to fine-tune who can create tasks, edit settings, or view sensitive projects. Once you've walked through each of these highlighted controls and made your changes, your team setup in ClickUp is complete and ready to support your workflow.